In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up tax in Stripe. First, head to your Stripe dashboard and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look at the options across the top of the page and click More. From the drop-down menu, select Tax. This will take you to the tax section where you can begin setting up your tax details. Next, click Add Tax Registration. You'll then be asked to choose your location, select the location that applies to your business, and continue. After choosing your location, look for the Register for Me option and click it. Once that step is completed, you'll see a section called Plan Details Tax Complete. Click on that section to review the details that have been provided. After reviewing the information, click Choose Your Plan. You'll now be able to select the tax service plan you want to use, review the available options, and choose the plan that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Review Plan and Continue. Carefully review the details shown on the screen to confirm that your selected plan and settings are correct. When everything looks right, click Subscribe. This will activate the selected tax plan and complete the setup process. After subscribing, your tax settings will be enabled and ready to use within Stripe. If you need to review the setup again, you can return to the tax section from the More menu and check your registration and plan details. To recap the process, start by opening the tax section from the More menu. Add a tax registration, select your location, choose the Register for Me option, review the plan details, select a plan, review the plan settings, and then subscribe to activate the service. Once those steps are completed, your tax setup is finished, and the selected tax features will be active in your Stripe account. That's all there is to setting up tax in Stripe. Following these steps will take you through the registration process, plan selection, and activation of your tax settings directly from the Stripe dashboard. After the subscription has been confirmed, the setup is complete, and your tax configuration will be ready to use for your transactions going forward. Thank you for watching.